Okay, for you motorcycle enthusiasts such as myself, I've got a 2003 Honda Rebel, and when I turned it on, I got nothing, no lights, nothing in neutral, no horn. It was in the run position. So, after watching a bunch of YouTube videos, I did have power coming out of my battery. It's a new battery. And so what I did is, right here, this comes out of the positive battery, goes right here to this one, and this negative feed here goes to this one. So I taped this up so we can get a spark in case I touch anything. And then I had 12 volts coming out of here, the silver one, nothing out of the copper one. So I pried this up. Wow. And it says right on there, fuse 20 amp. And you got to be very careful because you got one on each side here, and then there's one on the other side. So just like this, pinch them together, and then try not to. I just use a screwdriver. Right here, and just lightly pry it up on it, because you don't want to. You just have wires here, so I just kind of pried up on it, and then holding the fuse box, red deal, jiggled it back and forth until it came up. And what I found is, right here, that fuse is blown. So I replaced the fuse, and there's actually there was one underneath here where my finger was for storage. So I just put that in there. And then put the cover back on, hooked up your leads, and by the way, I should have disconnected the positive in one of the two, if not both of them, the positive and negative cable. Now, hook them back up. That's the positive here, and that's the negative. The copper one's the negative, and should go. Now, so we get it hooked up, I'll fire it up. So after replacing a simple fuse, we got lights with blinker, and it starts up. So that's what a simple fuse can do. If you enjoyed this video, hit the thumbs up, hit the like button, and hit the subscribe button, and I'll see you on the next video.